In this video, I'm going to explain solving the system of linear equations. Before that one, I want to give the definition. What is the definition of the system of equation? Any set of equations is called system of equation. Like this is given here, this part, y minus 2x is equal to minus 6 and y plus x is equal to minus 3. When they are given together, this is system of equation. Okay, and we are going to learn solving the system. Solving the system, we have different methods. One of the method is graphing method. Graphing method actually visual method for the solution of the system. And solution of the system is going to be the intersection of the lines. So we know that y minus 2x solve the system of equations using the graphing method. It is asking in the question. I want to explain everything on the question. We know the y minus 2x is equal to minus 6. This is one graph. Let's say this is L1 and this is L2 it's going to be, and we are going to draw the graphs. Then we are going to find the intersection of the lines. Okay, y minus 2x is equal to minus 6. Let's start with this one. Y minus graph of y minus 2x is equal to minus 6. I'm going to find first this one. If you remember, we were finding the intercept. For the x-intercept, we are going to say y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0, it's going to be, this implies that for the graph y minus 2x, 0 minus 2x is equal to minus 6. You know 0 minus 2x is equal to minus 2x. It's going to be minus 2x is equal to minus 6. And x is equal to minus 6 over minus 2, which is equal to 3. It's going to be. So for the first line, x-intercept is going to be equal to 3. X-intercept it's going to be equal to 3. This is the point. Okay, and for the first graph, y-intercept, what it's going to be? For the y-intercept, I'm going to write y-intercept. It means that x is equal to 0. This implies that y minus 2 times 0 is equal to minus 6. 2 times 0 is equal to 0. Y minus 0 is equal to minus 6. So y minus 0 is equal to minus 6. It's going to be y is equal to minus 6. So the second point is y is equal to minus 6. The second intercept is equal to y is equal to minus 6. So the graph of the line, is here. We are going to do it like this. I'm going to start from this point to this one, and this is the graph of y is equal to y minus 2x. Y minus 2x is equal to minus 6. Okay, this is the first graph, and the second graph, x plus y plus x is going to be equal to 3. We are going to find the graph of, at the second part, we are going to find the graph of y plus x is equal to minus 3, and I'm going to find first the x-intercept. For the x-intercept, we know that y is equal to 0. This implies that 0 plus x is equal to minus 3. 0 plus x, 0 is not effective in addition and subtraction, so x is equal to minus 3. So first intercept, x-intercept is minus 3 it's going to be. And the second value, second intercept, y-intercept, it's going to be x is equal to 0 for C, and it's going to be y plus 0 is equal to minus 3, y is equal to minus 3. So the second intercept, it's going to be minus 3 again. Okay, now I'm going to draw the line graph here again, which is passing through -3 and -3. This is the second line, and if I draw the line here from this point, I'm going to start here. From this point, it's going to pass through. I couldn't draw the line here now. And it's going to continue like this. Here, this point is when we continue to x-axis, it is 1. It's obvious to see this one. And on the y-axis, it is -4. So the coordinate of the point is 1 and -4. So 1 and -4 is the intersection point. Intersection point. And the intersection point, if you remember, intersection of the lines gives us the solution of the system. So solution of system. Now I'm going to explain here possible positions of the lines in the plane. Here the graphs, the lines will intersect like this. There will be two distinct lines, and there is one intersection point. So there is one solution it's going to be, and this is as a system it is called consistent and independent. And the second one is parallel lines. It's going to be, they may be parallel to each other, so they will never intersect, so there is no solution. If they intersect, there is a solution, and the intersection point is the solution of the system. If they are parallel to each other, there is no intersection, so there is no solution in the system, and it is called also as a system inconsistent. Sometimes it may be like this. There will be two lines, they are together. When you put one line over another, you can see only one line, which means we have infinitely many solutions, and this is the case also consistent and dependent it is called.